after almost 15 years, or ewan ko nga, baka lampas pa, after 10 plus years of riding my daddy's Japanese bike. Finally, ito. Meron na po tayong sariling gravel bike. Thank you, Lord, for your provision in making this happen. Kasi medyo years ago na din yung binilang. Years na yung binilang since I started, desiring for my own bike. And I researched, I asked my biker friends questions, ganyan. And edi ayun, parang sa research ko, dami ko nang natutunan. Pero parang ang nangyari pa, na-stuck ako sa analysis paralysis, or I had excuses. Like, I kept telling myself na, okay pa naman yung isang bike. Nagagamit ko pa naman, nakakalayo pa naman ako kahit papano. Parang I did not let my tool limit what I can do. Pero it comes to a point na if you want to go further, you need to be better equipped. And here we are. So I'm excited to go on longer rides and new adventures with my new bike. And I also realized then na I need to stop operating in fear and, do things and decide things with faith instead. Yun lang, that's our encouragement and kwento for today. Everybody